What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my kitchen.
Yay.
How you guys doing? Popcorn shrimps. I'm gonna show you guys how I do them my way in my home. My kids love them. First thing, you're gonna need some shrimps. I have this little what's this? Like a 12-ounce. See these shrimps right here, wild caught, peeled and deveined shrimps. I had 2 eggs beaten, and I had my seasoning.
Why you beat the eggs, fool?
Because I don't want to leave them whole. I need to have them beaten. You know?
Oh, I thought they owe you money or something.
Brandon, seriously, Brandon Waller. And I got me some vegetable oil frying, getting hot, guys. But I'm back here again with the 2 cousins, Tony. I loved their stuff the first time when I did it with the fish that I had. That was a bassa fish, and so I want to do a new video using it on my popcorn, on my shrimps, making popcorn shrimps. Remember, this is a seasoned cornmeal. This time I'm not adding no flour, no nothing. I am using it straight. This is something they want to share with us because they grew up eating it from their grandmother. Yeah, so Tony, is $6 a bag plus shipping and handling, guys. Their information is going to be in my description box. Ooh!
Oh, God damn it.
Ooh! Live action here. Got the grease popping. Brandon, you scared me. I ain't scared of popping grease, but Brandon scared me. Okay, we got to get this video going. Their information is going to be in my subscription box below. Get this seasoning. It's wonderful. Okay. Brandon, calm down, Brandon. I have my shrimps. I'm just going to take a handful, guys. The hands already been washed. Look, he got me jumping. I'm just going to place them just because I want my cornmeal to stick to my shrimp.
Hallelujah, God bless me with long arms.
Brandon said, God bless you with long arms.
Yes, because I'm nowhere near that stove right now.
And what I started to do is just get a bowl. And what you can do, because I have my shrimp in my strainer because I cleaned them and washed them all. And I should have stuck them in a bowl, and I just could have beat the eggs on top of them. And I'm just going to cover it with this good old seasoning. Remember, don't add any seasoning to this. This cornmeal is already nice and seasoned for you guys. You don't have to add anything to this at all. I like the fact that the 2 cousins want to share it with the world. Yeah. It's at a reasonable price. Let's do some more. I'm not even doing the wet hand method. I'm just going in just like this. Yes, the hand's been washed. I just want my cornmeal seasoning to stick to this. And still shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off. Remember, guys, the way I do things is the way I do it in my kitchen. If you do it a different way, please help yourself.
More power to you.
But this is the way I do things in my kitchen, you know, for my family and I. And my kids, my mother, my brother, they are all in love with this seasoning, with this cornmeal seasoning, okay? So I had to try it on shrimps. It was so wonderful on that fish. And I just got to get, all my bags are gone. So I'm going to order me some more. Gave my brother and my mother some. And I don't want to overcrowd my pan. I don't want to bring the temperature down of my oil. So all these are gone. Let me wash my hands, let these cook, and we'll be right back. Oh, I'm making my sauce. Okay, guys. I did 3 batches. This is the end of my popcorn shrimps right here. Look at them. Like nice and crispy. Ooh. And that grease drain on. Oh. Boy! Y'all, I'm so sorry. He's playing Fortnite. That's the only way I can explain it. Is he playing Fortnite? That's all I can say. I'm sweating. Thank God we're at the end of this video. So guys, look. My popcorn shrimp. My sauce.
Some hot sauce in it?
Yes, gotta get the hot sauce. You remember I showed you guys this
Dump
sauce?
a lot. Dump it, just dump it all. Yeah,
They like the spiciness, my kids.
Yeah.
Remember I showed you this hot sauce? I can't find the honey right now. And don't forget to add honey to yours.
You put honey in it?
Yes, honey.
Never knew that.
Yeah.
They like it's shiny on the camera. Dumb.
I know I need a small spoon. Don't judge me.
Oh.
Yeah, that spoon making all that noise. And if you have your favorite dip and stuff that you dip your shrimps or something in, I say go for it. So guys, I hope you like this video. This is my popcorn shrimps. Don't forget about Tony season. This cornmeal season is really good, guys. Everything for them is going to be in the description bar below. $6 plus tax. Go to their Facebook page, their IG page to order. Yeah. Y'all hear that? My baby sing all day long.
That's what singers supposed to do.
Yes, every day. Come on, Andrew.
Yeah.
Shut up, Brandon.
Yeah.
Hush up.
I can sing too.
Y'all hear him in the background? That's my
Y'all want to hear me?
That is so good. Down here, Brown. Popcorn shrimp. Seriously, Brandon?
Can I help you eat these?
Of course, y'all can have me.
Can I have the whole thing?
No.
Okay.
Until my next videos, guys. I got through my. Until my next video, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. I'll be back with another video. People in your house or your family and friends will love this rotel dip. We have lime chips here and we have plain original tortillas. Guys, where you get some scoops?